All of us here at Jordan Farms would like to welcome you to join us in our daily farm life by liking and subscribing. In this video, we will be doing some fence work to try and better keep our livestock contained.
Put it in your pocket there. Where's this go? You can't get those ones off. It's ready to do. Oh, I guess you can. No, but
That's what the table looks like. There's one.
I hear it. I hear us. I heard that wire.
Fixing up a little bit of old wiring.
Let's put that in the backpack. Okay, now hold this piece.
This fence is probably put up pretty fast, I'm guessing. Well, looking at the wire.
Yeah, well, it was put up. Hi, put this fence up.
That makes sense.
Yeah. And we put it up. I don't know. When did we start raising cows? Hold that piece. Hold this
It
ugly
was before
piece.
I can't. My hands.
Let go of this one.
It's been here since before I was born. I was 11.
No, we weren't raising cows that early. We just started raising cows. No, we did. We were raising cows before you were born.
It was like 2 years, maybe. 1 year.
Yeah.
A little bit of history.
Oh, tire blew.
Tire?
Yeah, that was the tire.
Bang.
What?
Bang.
I said something else. It's gonna come right off the ramp. Ah, whoops. I don't know which way is this now.
little bit of leaning fence, it looks like. Oh!
That didn't work.
Failed attempt.
You screw, you almost.
No, I don't. Hey, stop moving, I need screw.
Yeah, I need another insulator and a screw.
Where are the screws?
They're in the
They're in
front
my-
pouch.
Yeah, they're in the...
Very front, small pouch.
Yeah, here's 2 screws. You don't need them, I guess? Yeah.
For them, do I? We never had no issue up there, did we?
If you could drop like the high ones, like I see a couple high ones over on the bar,
Mm-hmm.
drop those.
Can you find me a stick that I can push up against that one?
Got some, yep. Got a nice little stick.
Got a baby rattle for you. Take it. You could smash it open. Where's the screw?
Got some right here. Pretty dry.
What do we got? Not quite.
Inch wire. Barely.
Just a few inches short. All right.
Wire. Cutters. 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 They're in my backpack. Where are the cutters? The big pouch. Big pouch. Cut. I'm gonna cut it just a little long. I got it.
Okay, you got wire for me? Okay, that is not long enough.
Go cut it.
Yeah, I need about triple that.
Wrong way.
It's recording, it's counting down.
The wrong way.
Oh. You gotta, no, you get back, you gotta put the
Hold on.
insulators on top of the post and that's what you got. shouldn't have to. Well, you might have to untwist it all the way.
I'm gonna sharpen my knife and nails.
This one's too high. That needs to go down.
Those ones are kind of hard, so I just.
I know, but they still gotta go. Pick that wire up and set it up there for me. Yeah, I needed it. Maybe I'll warn a measurement. There's a lot of screws, but they're not very long.
There's a couple in there.
Oh, there's some long ones in here, I guess. Hang on. What's our options?
Oh! Snack time.
I don't want a snack, but I would gladly
Snack delivery lady. I'll take one of those. Ooh, fresh lemonade.
This is one heck of a blowout.
Holy.
That time.
Did you squeeze lemons? You did? You squeezed lemons for this?
Yeah, yeah.
Or did you stir it from a mix?
You shiny old jet.
She's gonna get some first.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Hope you join us again next time.